Are you a high vibration woman? Are you ready to take the next step in your life to up-level your life? Changing careers, going out on your own and starting your own business or growing your own business, becoming more independent, more prosperous? Are you stuck in the area of relationships, love, or health? If so, then you'll want to check out my course. It's called Chakras for Challenging Times. You are a co-creator with the universe. I truly believe we can live our lives in the flow of magic. It takes certain tools, it takes certain vibration, it takes a bit of work. And I've put all the tools together in this course. Explode your spiritual growth, overcome blockages to living the life of your dreams, then this is the perfect course for you. Imagine if you're able to create a life where there is much more flow, there's more prosperity, there's more love, there's more ease, there's more joy. Check it out. There's a link. If you're tired of just piecing together information about the chakras from like dark corners of the internet and downloading things that are free and putting it together and making up what you think is good, you need guidance that takes you step by step through each major chakra, giving you choices as to what to do to unblock, to activate, and to heal. That's going to show up as moving forward in your life, taking actions that you weren't able to take before, having breakthroughs emotionally that you were not able to heal and understand through healing your body's energy centers. So I hope to see you inside the course. You will have live interaction with me as well. So click the link either above or below, and I hope to see you inside. You deserve that, goddess. Mwah. Stay blissed and blessed.